Hey everyone! If you want to reach a global audience, you need to speak their language. In 2026, Wix has made its multilingual tool incredibly powerful, even including AI-powered translations that take seconds. Today, I'm showing you the exact desktop workflow to add a second language to your site without redesigning everything. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable Wix Multilingual. First, log into your Wix dashboard or open your editor. Go to the Settings menu in the top bar and select Multilingual. Click on Get Started and choose your main language, the one your site is currently in, and your secondary language, the one you want to add. Step 2. Use Auto Translation, the time saver. Once your languages are set, Wix will ask how you want to translate your content. Choose Auto Translate with Google or AI if you want Wix to instantly translate all your text for you. You can also choose to do it manually, but starting with the auto translation and then polishing the text is the fastest way to go live in 2026. Step 3. Add the language switcher. Now, you need to let your visitors choose their language. In the editor, click on the plus Add Elements button, search for Language Selector, and drag it into your header. This adds a drop-down menu or flags that will appear on every page, allowing users to toggle between languages instantly. Step 4. Translate local elements and SEO. Switch to your secondary language using the Language menu at the top left of the editor. You can now click on any text box or button to manually adjust the translation if the AI missed a nuance. Important: don't forget SEO. Go to Pages and Menu, select your secondary language, and update your page titles and descriptions so you show up in foreign search results. Step 5. Review and go live. Before publishing, click on Preview and toggle the language switcher to make sure your layout looks good in both languages. Sometimes text length changes. Once it looks perfect, click on Publish at the top right. Your site is now officially international. Adding languages is the easiest way to double your traffic without creating new content. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.